Children, today we are going to do addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. As you know, unlike fractions have different denominators, so find LCM of the denominators. Convert each fraction into equivalent fraction with denominator equal to the LCM, then add or subtract the fractions as required. This will become clear from the following questions. So let's start exercise 6.6 question 1. Add. Seventh part. 8 1 on 9 plus 2 on 5 plus 3 2 on 5. First convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. So 8 into 9 72 plus 1 73 on 9 plus 2 on 5 plus 3 into 5 15 plus 2 17 on 5. Now LCM of 9, 5 and 5 is 45. Now convert 73 on 9 into equivalent fraction with denominator 45. So divide 45 by 9, we get 5. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. Plus 2 on 5, divide 45 by 5, we get 9. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 9. Plus 17 on 5. Now again 45 divided by 5 is 9. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 9. Now 73 into 5 is 365 on 45 plus 2 9s are 18 on 45 plus 17 9s are 153 on 45. Now these are like fractions, so retain the common denominator 45 and add 365 plus 18 plus 153. It is equal to 536 on 45. Now there is no common factor between these two, and since numerator is greater than the denominator, so divide 536 by 45 to express it in mixed fractions. So 45 ones are 45, 13 minus 5 8, bring down 6. Again 45 ones are 45 and we get remainder 41. So this can be expressed as 1141 on 45. Now let's do 8th part. 1 3 on 10 plus 2 1 on 6 plus 4 on 15. Now first convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. So 1 into 10 is 10 plus 3 is 13 on 10 plus 2 into 6 12 plus 1 13 on 6 plus 4 on 15. Now LCM of 10, 6 and 15 is 30. Now convert 13 on 10 into equivalent fraction with denominator 30. So 30 divided by 10 is 3. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 3 plus 13 on 6. Divide 30 by 6. We get 5. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 5 plus 4 on 15. 30 divided by 15 is 2. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. Now 13 3s are 39 on 30 plus 13 5s are 65 on 30 plus 4 2s are 8 on 30. Now these are like fractions, so retain the common denominator 30 and add 39 plus 65 plus 8. We get 112 on 30. Now 2 is common factor, so let's cancel out. So 2 5s are and then 2 6s are. Here 2 15s are 30. So we get 56 on 15. Now since numerator is greater than the denominator, so express it in mixed fraction as 311 on 15. Now let's do question 2 second part. Subtract 3 1 by 12 and 2 1 on 15. So again here first we will convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. So 3 12s are 36 plus 1 37 on 12 minus 2 into 15 30 plus 1 31 on 15. Now LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. Now convert 37 on 12 into equivalent fraction with denominator 60. So divide 60 by 12. We get 5. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 5 minus 31 on 15. divide 60 by 15 and we get 4. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. Now here 37 into 5 is 185 on 60 minus 31 into 4 124 on 60. Now these are like fractions, so retain the common denominator and let's solve 185 minus 124. We get here 61 on 60. So here again numerator is greater than the denominator, so divide and express it in mixed fractions as 1 on 60. Now let's move to next question. Seventh part, 2 1 on 9 minus 1 3 on 6. So again let's convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. So 2 into 9 18, 18 plus 1 is 19 on 9 minus 1 into 6 6 plus 3 9 on 6. Now find LCM of 9 and 6 and it is 18. Now convert 19 on 9 into equivalent fraction with denominator 18. So divide 18 by 9, we get 2. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. Minus 9 on 6, divide 18 by 6 and we get 3. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. Now 19 2s are 38 on 18 minus 9 3s are 27 on 18 and we get here 38 minus 27 on 18. So this is equal to 11 on 18. Now this is proper fraction. So our answer is 11 on 18. Now let's do question 3, simplify first part. 3 2 on 7 minus 1 3 on 5 plus 1 7 on 10. So first let's convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. So here we have 3 into 7 21 plus 2 23 on 7 minus 1 into 5 5 plus 3 8 on 5 plus 1 into 10 10 plus 7 17 on 10. Now LCM of 7 5 and 10 is 70. Now we will take common denominator 70. Now we will divide 70 by 7, we get 10. So multiply the first numerator by 10. So 23 into 10 is 230 minus, now divide 70 by 5 and we get 14. So multiply second numerator by 14. So 18 into 8 into 14 is 112 plus, now divide 70 by 10, we get 7. So multiply third numerator by 7. So 17 7s are 119. Now let's write plus terms together. So 230 plus 119 minus 112 on 70. Now 230 plus 119 is 349, 112 on 70. Now this is equal to 237 on 70. Now no common factor between these two, so express it in mixed fraction. So we get 327 on 70. Now let's move to 8th part. 5 minus 2 1 on 4 plus 13 on 6 minus 2 on 3. Now here 5 is a whole number, so let's write it as a fraction, 5 on 1. Now let's convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So here we have 5 minus 2 into 4 8 plus 1 9 on 4 plus 13 on 6 minus 2 on 3. Now let's find out LCM of 4 6 3 and it is 12. So here we take common denominator 12 and now we divide 12 by 1, we get 12. So multiply first numerator by 12. So 5 12s are 60 minus, now divide 12 by 4 and we get 3. So multiply second numerator by 3, we get 9 3s are 27 plus, now divide 12 by 6, we get 2. So multiply third numerator by 2, so 13 2s are 26 minus 12 divided by 3 is 4. So multiply 4th numerator by 4. So we get minus 2 4s are 8. Now here write plus terms together 60 plus 26 minus 27 minus 8 on 12. Now 60 plus 26 is 86. Now here we have to add two negative terms. So we add and we put common sign of them. So 27 plus 8 is 35 and common sign is minus. So we write minus 35 on 12. Now 86 minus 35 is 51 on 12. So here 3 is common factor. So 17 3s are 51 and 4 3s are 12. So we get 17 on 4, which is equal to 4 1 on 4. Children, I hope you have understood all these questions. Now for worksheet 2 of fractions, do exercise 6.6, question number 1 5th and 6th part, question 2 4th and 6th part, and question 3 4th and 5th part. Thank you, children.